Hey guys, it's me once again, and I just want to let you notice I am back. And the reason why I haven't done any videos for a while, because I was on holiday to Haggerston Castle, which one is obviously a good holiday. We've got Thomas the Tank Engine, you can go. But this destruction video is going to be a tricky way, and I'm going to take a break from rants. Because I would find some videos from Haggerston Castle later after an hour. So it looks like I had to destruction this. Look like obviously a fucking toy of Angry Bird. But it looks like Elmo in the simple things. It obviously looks like fucking Elmo. Right. Now let me see here, it's right left there. But it looks like, what about use the Bam Slam gadget? And it's used to bam and slam and bam you, obviously. I'll go see how to drop test first. But it looks like how to drop. Obviously, so without stalling from time, looks like a little wanker. Blue Fox set a notification, and yes, he uploaded wanker. I'll show his video later after I finish the destruction video, and then I can upload a video on YouTube. This is obviously the best day ever. Now it looks like the flower bed has been built by some builders who built a flower bed, and that means I can't sit down here because there's a plant in the way. Out of there. It looks like I have to move over there now because there's a flower bed to be built. Now I have to use the Mega Industrial Bam Slam gadget to bam and slam and bam this red bird. God. Oh my god, my Bam Slam gadget has been falling off, obviously. Yeah, it's been a while now. I haven't done videos because I went on holiday. And the worst thing is, my dad changed Google Photos once again during the season. What the fuck? GRR! Yeah, stupid dad. Obviously, I used the Bam Slam gadget to use this. Birds can't talk in the movie, you arsehole. Yeah, I don't know why the Angry Birds movies suck ass because there's too many birds talking. Because it talk like, obviously like idiots, like talking and swearing and gut. And yes, pigs can talk as well. But otherwise, animals talk. Animals can't talk. You obviously know where you're talking about when you play this game of Angry Birds. You obviously need to shot the pigs on your phone. You play like Angry Birds. You know, obviously I remember when I just walk like something. Right, next of all, I'm going to destruction this Jojo. Obviously, Jojo the dinosaur. Where's Jojo? Walks like a Halloween vampire costume. Now, obviously, however, it's not Halloween yet. It's not even October the 31st. Now, obviously, I have to check this out. What the fuck? It obviously looks like I have to use the Bam Slam gadget. We're going to be using the Mega Industrial Bam Slam Gadget. You know, I kind of mentioned that as like I saw on the TV, I remember seeing Jojo. It's obviously, it was also on, like, on a TV. It was also used on Playhouse Disney called Jojo, whatever. Actually, it's called Jojo Circus, which I never heard of that show before. Right. Bam and slam and bam, Jojo. It obviously looks horrible, however. Bam and slam and bam, this red bird. Not quite, sorry, it's Jojo, it's me. Jojo the dinosaur off Angry Birds. Which I still love the game, but I hate the movie. Because it suck ass! I don't know why there's so many likes in this movie. It obviously looks horrible to me. Right, that's all for now for this destruction video. Please like and subscribe for more videos. Turn on post notifications. Don't do that on me. Obviously, guys. I will see you in the next video. Goodbye!